Right out to Lassiter. Haba pa naman ang kanila shot clock. Look at Petron moving around and the Kraken throws it down.
It's a great ball movement right there displayed by Petron. Junmar showing us a raise the roof. Dani yung after that dunk by Jun.
Sa ating silipin, itong full-on tornado drive. Junmar Fajardo with the throwdown and the tribute to Danny I. Brought to you by Photon.
Lamont Smathers binigay din. Ito na naman! Slam dunk! Raise the roof! Daniel Defonso with 2 points on a slam.
You could see that napapasa ni Danny Ice. But yes, look at that.
Oh, right there! Lakay Danny I gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
What a move. Vintage Daniel Defonso. Talagang pinahirapan niya. Look at this spin move right here. All the way to the baseline using that quickness all over a bigger, taller player, Junmar Fajardo.
And Ildefonso completes that. Though gusto bumawi, Lakay on him. Quick spin to the baseline. Junmar delivers.
That's actually Daniel Defonso.
LBC move of the rebound. Gets it over to Fajardo. Junmar against Ildefonso. Bakbakang inaabangan ng buong bayan.
You can just hear the fans, Magu, and they actually appreciate the battle between these two guys. You know, the teacher and the student. Kagaya ng ating pinag-uusapan natin right now.
Si Junmar lumapit kay Lakay. Nag-appear, sabi ni Lakay, wala tayong pansinan, magkalaban tayo ngayon. That's how nice a guy Junmar is, and that's how big, how much of a professional Lakay is na, teka lang, magkalaban muna tayo, bata. Hindi natin kailangan no? Wag. Bakbakan tayo, patayan tayo dito.
No, respect. That's actually respect right there. You could see that idol niya kasi si Danny ay.
Oo nga, mukhang nagbigyan na ako nung alaga ko eh. Sabi ko nga, huwag mo akong pagbibigyan. Sabi ko hindi, sabi niya sa akin, nakalusot ka talaga, sabi niya sa akin.
Pero last question, gusto ko tanong, ano yung binanggit mo kay Junmar nung gusto kang kamayan? Sinabihan mo bang, teka, magkalaban tayo?
Sabi ko sa kanya, huwag mo akong kakamayan, mag-focus ka sa game mo, sabi ko sa kanya.